Greens one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm actually just making lunch, but I'm making something that I've never made before. It's called a Loco Moco. I got the inspiration from a guy here on YouTube called, his name is George Motes. He's a burger historian and author. Wrote a book called Hamburger America. I'm sure you can find it on Amazon. Anyway, he did, there's a YouTube channel called First We Feast, and they have what's called The Burger Show. And so, I'm going to be making that burger I saw. And I got my rice going. It's actually a burger that sits on rice, so it looked really good. And I need lunch anyway, so I'm also going to be experimenting a little bit with some camera angles. So if you suddenly see a completely different camera angle, because I'm doing a little experimentation today. So see how that works. And yeah, let's dive right into it. Alrighty, let's get the ground beef prepped. I don't need all of it, just some. There we go. And we'll move this out of the way. I'm going to be making hamburgers for lunch or dinner tomorrow, so I'm going to save the rest for tomorrow. Bought some bacon to go with it. A little salt. Season the beef. Little usual suspects. Garlic. I forgot to get pepper. I forgot to get more cumin, so I'll throw a little sloppy mama in there. Roll up the sleeves. I'm gonna get all the ground beef mixed up. And I'll just, I mean, it doesn't really matter if they're both both of equal size. I got my pan warming up. Alright. That is the Uncle Ben's rice. It's the boiling bag. Oh, what's that? Stove turned on for the making brown gravy. If you just pour the gravy mix into the pan, it will make your gravy lumpy. So I always pour in a measuring cup. Whisk so smooth, and when the water's hot, I'll pour the gravy in, which I'll show you. As you can see, the rice is boiling away nicely. Only has a minute left. Flip the burgers over. Alright, so the rice has been in for 10 minutes. Go ahead and drain the rice off. Let that, the all metal strainer, let that sit. Gravy's up to a boil. Now if you're going to say, hey Mark, that's going to scratch your pan, Yeah, just give it a light touch. You don't have to. I mean, don't sit there and press on it, but give it a light touch. It'll start to thicken quickly. See the? Maybe I'll do hands-free. See the blood coming off the burger? That's going to happen. For those of you who don't cook. Those look good. Everything's just about ready to be done. Go ahead and give these burgers another flip. I've only seen this done with one burger, but you know I can eat a good amount of meat. You know, meat is good. All right, gravy is nice and thick. We're gonna pull that off. I'm gonna put another pan on. I'll show you the final ingredient. That'll be 1 egg, 1 huevos. Try to clean as I go here. That's good. Spoon. Rice looks good. I love rice. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it, but rice is all kinds of delicious. Guess I'm just letting the camera run, but I'll probably have to trim. Alright, so there's one more ingredient. This may surprise some of you, but the Loco Moco, you actually would put onions in here and cook them up with the beef. But, since I don't like onions, or rather I don't like raw or cooked onions like this, but I've got these crispy onion, basically fried onion straws or whatever. So we're going to be putting these on there. I think I've said before, you know, it's not so much the flavor, it's more texture based. So there they are. Let's I broke it. Damn it. I was hoping not to break the yolk, but I did anyway. Crap. That sucks. A little black pepper. Do that flip you all like to see. It's so easy with 1 egg. Alright. Let's get that rice out. Well, for a 4-ounce bag of rice, that actually makes a pretty decent amount of rice. Alright. Flip the egg over. The egg is done. There's still a little grease, or still a little blood coming out of the hamburger, but that doesn't bother me. I like my beef rare, mid-rare. Alright. Turn that off. Now we're going to put, I guess you can't see that. Now we're going to put gravy all over it. I'm probably going to have some gravy left over. It won't be a big deal. the onions. Fresh ground pepper. And 1 egg. There we go. 1 Loco Moco. See if the rice came out. Probably could have gone another minute, but it tastes good. Give this a taste. Alright. I actually already did this once, but I'm going to do a taste of the onions. I guess I can try it. There you go. Loco Moco. I'll tell you one thing, it is hot. Get you back up here. Mmm. Mmm. That is good. I'm gonna go sit down and eat. Another clean plate. I gotta say, I actually really enjoyed that. That was a really good burger, even though there's no traditional bun. But as always, I appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. What do you think of the camera angles too? Yay, nay, could use some work. Let me know, and we'll move on from there. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.